You are watching FutureTechBeat. If you're involved in your company's AI project and don't secure the AI system during development, your company could face major financial, reputational, and opportunity losses. Yes, that's correct. Let's review some common security threats you should be aware of. Dataset poisoning is a major security issue for cybersecurity professionals because it's both significant and hard to detect. If attackers pollute even a few sources with bad or irrelevant data, they can ruin the model during training. Prompt injection is another serious risk in AI development, where attackers take control of a model's output to make it act in ways it shouldn't. A research team identified two major prompt injection security threats in custom GPTs: system prompt extraction and file leakage. System prompt extraction deceives GPTs into exposing their setup commands, violating the creator's intellectual property and privacy. File leakage means taking files uploaded by designers, risking their privacy and intellectual property, and enabling malicious actors to duplicate and claim the GPT models. Model inversion is when someone figures out private data used to train a machine learning model by studying its outputs, which can risk privacy, especially with sensitive information like medical records. A breach in an organization's AI system compromises their entire security framework. When attackers breach a model, they can trigger unexpected disruptions and access related systems without authorization. Their main objective is typically to break in and take sensitive data, intellectual property, or personal information from training datasets. A breach can result in legal action, regulatory scrutiny, and public backlash, depending on the type of data stolen and the industry of the affected organization. Financial losses are the most common result of these situations. When designing AI systems, it's crucial to consider key security measures like dataset selection to avoid early and potentially irreversible model corruption from poisoning and tampering. Dataset integrity is crucial, especially when AI engineers use pre-trained models that might contain vulnerabilities exploitable after deployment. Organizations should ensure third-party model vendors are reliable and thorough. Vendors can easily create security risks, whether by mistake or on purpose. If organizations fail to monitor effectively, minor flaws can escalate into serious security risks. Updating algorithm parameters with new data is expensive and time-consuming, and accelerating the development process can lead to security risks. AI's black box nature, where it's hard to understand how it works, makes it difficult to spot problems like dataset poisoning or tampering. Despite external threats, consider internal risks from employee errors, a common source of cybersecurity problems during AI system development, whether in-house or outsourced. Cybersecurity professionals can boost security by collaborating with data scientists and AI engineers to minimize development vulnerabilities. Working with other departments enhances threat mitigation, but using a mix of methods, especially restrictions, provides a safety net against malicious actions by attackers. Enhancing model transparency allows cybersecurity experts to quickly detect and respond to indicators of compromise, such as dataset poisoning or prompt injection. Routine audits are essential, and AI engineers should work with cybersecurity professionals to test their systems thoroughly, helping to identify and address vulnerabilities before they cause problems. Cybersecurity professionals should keep a baseline to reset their AI systems if compromised, saving weeks on incident response and recovery. Several regulatory bodies, including CISA, NSA, and NCSC, have issued a collaborative guide on secure and responsible AI development. This guide outlines best practices and extensively details the responsibilities of developers. In conclusion, cybersecurity professionals should remain vigilant and proactive in AI system development to mitigate threats and enhance outcomes. Happy AI coding!